Hey there everyone, welcome back in Django to do a video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial we are going to create our to-do, and we need here a form. When we click here add to-do menu, a form should appear where we create our to-do, and that one will save in our SQLite database. So let's start. First of all, we need here a form. So go to your app, to do app, not inside your project. Here is to do app, it's our project where is our settings and all the settings and static available file and folders. Here I'm going to create forms.py and from Django import forms. That's it. Now we create forms.py and we get here we import forms. One more thing, from current models import, here's our model to do. Perfect. Now here I'm going to create our form class, and the class name is to do forms dot model form. Then class meta, model, I'm going to pass here the model, which is to do, which we import from our models, this one. After that I have to pass here fields, and now we have only one field, which is name, this one. Then labels, name, and the label will be name. After that, let's pass here widgets, name. Then I'm going to pass here form dot text input, and here attributes, and in attributes classes. These classes default one, which is we create or import with the bootstrap. So form control, that's it. We can define here cleaning method as well under our class meta. Def clean and self fields and self dot cleaned data. We pass here clean data. So just save, and we have to import this form in our view.py. From current forms import to do form. Okay, next we have to create here our view, and the view is create. From Django dot generics, sorry, views, import CreateView. Let's check where is a CreateView, and I'm going to Django CreateView. Go to documentation, and here view generic edit from Django dot views dot generic dot edit import CreateView. So it's a class-based views, and we'll discuss all these information, like what is create view, template view, detail view, form view, list view, and update delete views. We create for these basics another video tutorial series which we explore and work with these views. So now I'm going to create my view where we have to pass our form and template. Here I'm going to create a class, and class name is to do create view, and here I'm going to pass create view, template name, and our template name which we have to create under our template. Let's say it's create to do .html. Let's go and create this file, and here I'm creating here HTML hello create to do. Just save, close, and next we have to pass here our form underscore classes, and which we import here to the form. That's it. Now we have at the last pass here success URL, means after create where we have to redirect, and go to URLs. The name is to do, means this main page after create it should be redirect in that page. So that's it. It's very easy and simple how to create a to do, only 3 line of code. And in forms, in model form, it's also very easy. Just you have to pass your model and the field label. This label I will show you why I pass here. Give this name as a label, and widget we can pass here our classes, and required all these style or widgets you can set here. Div clean method, automatically the clean data will be stored in the fields. So in next step we have to create a URL. To do create view, to do create, and to do slash create. That's it. Now go to our template and to-do view. Here I'm going to pass. First of all, let's make that static dynamic. I'm going to load here static, just save, and here static, that's it. Now I save. If I reload, nothing happened. Perfect, it's working. And next we have to make this one all as well. Static, save, and at the last, just the last one, we have to pass here as well, static. Save, reload, everything is going okay. And now create this href, means the URL, so add to URL and give the name of URL which we create here, to create, copy, paste, save. If I reload, now you can see here the URL. If I click here, hello create to do. Now in next video tutorial we will take a form from our bootstrap which we place, and here one input field and a button, and the previous our this nav bar, then we just hit the submit button automatically to the create. So that's all this video tutorial.